Hello everyone, this is Neeraj and I am going to discuss about the advantages of digital signal processing. As we all know that signal processing involves involves analyzing and modification of the signal to improve its efficiency or performance. It involves various operations to analog and digital signal to produce a signal that's of higher quality than the original signal. Before going into the advantage, let us have a quick overview of the analog signal processing and digital signal processing. Here we can see the block diagrams of analog signal processing and digital signal processing. In analog signal processing, we can observe that both input and output are the analog signals, whereas in digital signal processing, there is an interface between the input and output, which is the converters. As we seen in the block diagram, analog signals can be processed directly by appropriate analog systems such as filters or frequency analyzers. It will be processed directly in analog form as we seen in the block diagram. As we discussed, both the input and output signal are in analog form. When we come to the digital signal processing, it provides alternative method for processing the analog signal. As we seen in the block diagram, it need an interface called analog to digital converter. To perform the processing digitally, this interface is needed. The output of the analog to digital converter is a digital signal that is appropriate as an input to the digital processor. One of the advantage of digital signal processing over analog signal processing is its accuracy. It plays an important role in determining the form of signal processor. It is more accurate because in digital signal there is really no tolerances, whereas in analog circuits there will be tolerances, breakdown, etc. As we see here, tolerances in analog circuit components make it extremely difficult for the system designer to control the accuracy of an analog signal processing system, whereas digital system provides much better control of accuracy requirements. So such requirements in turn result in specifying the accuracy requirements in the AD converter and the digital signal processor in terms of word length, floating point versus fixed point, arithmetic and similar factors. In DSP, we can control the number of bits. This is the reason for accuracy of the digital signal processor. Whereas in analog signal processing, we cannot control the tolerances breakdown in the analog circuit. So the digital signal processing is more accurate than the analog signal processing.